Hi, it's me again with the Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this, I promise you this is the last one on this Army seal. But I've got a yellow box to show this is transparent, so this is going to leave the wood. There's going to be wood between there, a little bit of wood behind the arrows. So let's get rid of it. I would engrave this like this. I have grouped all my grays together, and I nudged them off my laser screen. And I would, if I had a piece of wood that was square, and even with my laser bed where I could put it back exactly where it is, I would engrave this part. So I took all the blacks and I'm going to engrave this really deep, like 50 power, or 100 power, 50 speed. Then I'm going to take my black and I'm going to nudge, well, I got my rectangle, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to take my black and I'm going to nudge my gray back in. And I'm going to I'm going to take this out of the laser and I'm going to sand it really good. Get all the burn residue off of it. And this will be deep. And then take your gray and run it like at 100 power and 100 speed. Just barely, and see all the white will not engrave again because it was black. The black lines will engrave, and of course I didn't fill in the names like I should have. But it'll be like kind of like a ghost on top of it. And I think it'll look pretty cool. Matter of fact, I might engrave this tomorrow just to see what it looks like. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.